All right, it's been a really long day, and it ain't over yet. I still got to sort through all this stuff. I have a lot more stuff to sort through yet. It's a little bit messy, but hey, I've been really busy, and it was a really long day. But a lot got accomplished because there's a lot of volunteers, a lot of great people, whole bunch of boaters out there working. And thank you hugely to the Low Country, South Carolina area for your donations. That's huge. Big shout out to my brother Kyle and his wife Shannon for humping a whole bunch of stuff today. That was hard work. I hurt all over myself too. Peace out for now. I will try to give you some more updates. The Army came and visited us with Chinook. Actually, a couple of big Chinook copters, and he dropped off a lot of major supplies, including a bunch of diesel and gasoline. He must be impressed by all the work we're doing. They're giving us more diesel for the tractors. Yeah, go team, go.